Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to delete all reposts on TikTok at once. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. And so sometimes you need to delete all your reposts in TikTok and it takes a very long time to do it one at a time if you have a lot of them. For example, go to the profile and go to the reposts, click on the video, then here and delete the repost. And this should be done with everyone. In order to delete all reposts at once, click on the icon in the upper right corner and select setting and privacy. Then scroll down and select report a problem. Scroll down again and select submit a report. Here you can contact technical support with a request to delete all your reposts at once and attach, for example, a photo of your page. For example, write, "Hello, I want to delete all reposts from my account. Please help me do this." Attach a profile photo and click submit. In the near future, technical support will see your question and solve it. That's how simple it is. Also watch my other videos about TikTok at the link in description and you will learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye, have a nice day.